Okay, no, so listen, so Daddy called and he's bringing home a pet for us. What do you think of that? Do you want a pet?
Yeah.
Do you want a pet, Ryan?
Yeah.
Sarah?
Yeah.
Are you so excited? What do you think it is?
A hamster.
A hamster? What do you think it is?
A cat.
A cat? Ryan, what do you think it is?
A fish.
All right, let's go out. Let's see. I think he said. Oh. Okay, here, look out the window. What is it?
A gorilla.
All right, come on, let's go out and see it. You want to go out there and see it? What is it?
That's Daddy.
Sarah, do you want to come out and see it? Ryan, it's a monkey.